most of our refuse is still part of the waste stream. Every day, thousands of tons of garbage are picked up from homes and businesses in Alameda County and dumped into pits at places like the Davis Street Transfer Station, forming a vast sea of refuse. Materials of every kind, many of which would be valuable if they had been separated, are crushed together, compacted, bulldozed, and loaded into trucks for a last journey. The final resting place for our garbage is landfill.
The largest component of the waste stream that for the most part is not yet being recycled is actually the most recyclable of all. Organic waste. Wood, food waste, kitchen scraps, yard trimmings, and green waste from parks, roads, and golf courses. In Alameda County, organic waste makes up over 40% of the total waste stream. In Alameda County, most residents now have curbside green waste pickup. For people who aren't composting, or for materials that are difficult to compost, curbside green waste provides a way to put yard trimmings somewhere where they can do some good, and keep them out of the landfill. Green waste from your curbside bin goes to a facility like this to be ground into feedstock for mulches, ground covers, and commercial compost. Dramatic changes have taken place in how we handle waste. We're servicing our waste stream more efficiently, and far less is winding up in landfills. Alameda County is recycling at a rate nearly 4 times greater than just 10 years ago. But the pit, where most of the county's waste is dumped before being trucked to the Altamont landfill, still looks the same. What is all this? And why is it still going to waste? Americans are the biggest trash producers in the world, and the rates at which we're making waste aren't changing. As we confront the effects of our decisions about waste on coming generations, the key word is sustainability. How can we sustain and improve our quality of life, the environment, and our economy several generations into the future? It's going to require dramatic reductions in the waste we make and putting what we do waste to work for us. This is just the tip of the plastics iceberg. Other kinds of plastic are difficult to recycle. Recycled content in most plastic products is minimal, and markets are weak.
Materials picked up at curbside are sorted at materials recovery facilities like Bay City Recycling in San Leandro. Here, aluminum cans, tin cans, glass of different colors, and plastic of different types are sorted into bins. Separation is the key to making it possible to manufacture new products using those materials. There's more all of us have to do to reduce the waste stream at its source, to recover valuable resources, and to develop markets for recycled materials.
When the recyclables arrive at the transfer station, they're all mixed together, so everything has to be sorted. Plastic is separated from the glass, aluminum, and paper. At some facilities, people working on a sort line separate each type of plastic by hand and toss it into large steel cages called bunkers.